Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm going to be tackling my messy linen closet. Yes, you guys, as you can see, this linen closet is a hot mess. So today I'm going to actually get the chance to organize and declutter this linen closet. So I'm going to take you guys along. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, so first things first, I'm going to take everything out of this linen closet so I can see what's going on, so I can see what's in here that shouldn't be in here and that I can kind of find another home for. So I'm going to start by just decluttering the linen closet, removing everything out, and then I'm going to go through and purge things that I don't need and find another home for things that should not be in here. Okay, you guys, so now that my linen closet is all cleaned out and decluttered, I'm just going to go ahead and sweep the floor a little bit and make sure that's all cleaned up so we can kind of begin adding our organizational units into the space. And this is how everything is looking now that it's all cleaned and everything is removed out of the linen closet. As you can see, it's not a very big space, so I'm gonna try to make sure I place in some organizational units that'll keep everything organized and cluttered free. And right here, you guys, just want to give you guys a glimpse of all of the clutter and crap that was in this linen closet. So it was beyond towels and blankets and things. It was just other stuff that was kind of just piled up in there. So this is all of the stuff that I took out of this linen closet, and there's even more things on my sofa behind this bar here, or behind this partition wall here. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so these are the organizational storage containers that I purchased. I love using baskets and storage containers to kind of store everything in, because it kind of keeps everything in place and keeps everything from being messy and cluttered all over the place. So I picked up these baskets here from Target. I love that they have, they're kind of like a flexible kind of material on it, so it kind of stretches so you're able to get more in the baskets. The baskets are called Room Essentials from Target, and I got 3 different sizes. So I got a large, a medium, and then I got those little small rectangular baskets with the dividers as well. And the medium ones here were $8.99, and then the larger ones were $12.99. And then I also picked up these little rectangular ones. I thought these were so cute, you guys, because they already have like little dividers in place. So I thought this will make a good way to store some cleaning supplies and oil care and things like that, because it's already divided up, and then I can just kind of put that in the linen closet as well. And these were also $8.99 from the Room Essentials. So yeah, I love the color. That I end up getting gray and white. You guys know that pretty much everything in my house is neutral, like gray and white and creams. So I love that. But they did also have an all white color too, if you're interested in that as well. So these are the different sizes. I'm gonna kind of place them next to each other so you guys can kind of see the different sizes of the containers. And I'm planning on, for the larger baskets, I'm planning on putting in my blankets and some extra curtains in there. And then the medium-sized ones, I'm going to put face towels and washcloths. And then, like I said, the smaller ones with the rectangular, I'm going to put oil care and body wash and things like that in those. So let's get started, you guys. So I like to go ahead and start placing everything inside of the space, just so I can kind of get a feel of how I want everything to kind of be placed inside of the linen closet. So what I did was I kind of went ahead and placed the baskets on the shelf of how I wanted to look. And this is what I came up with so far. I don't know if it's going to stay like this, but this is kind of how I have it looking like so far. Now, I do still have the tags on there because if it doesn't work out, or if I'm not able to fit all of my things in there, I will return it to Target and go and pick up something else. So that's why the tags are still on there. But if it does work, I'll go ahead and keep them, and then I'll just take the tags off at the end of the video. But this is what it's looking like so far. So my goal is to have, like I said, my sheets and blankets at the top and extra pillows and stuff at the top for guests, and then maybe a little decor to the side. And then on the next shelf, I want to have my towels and body washes and things like that. And then at the bottom, I'm planning on putting some a little bit of cleaning supplies. At the top, for my first large basket, I'm just going to put in a sheet set. And what I'm going to do for this linen closet, I'm only going to keep in one duvet set and one sheet set and one pillow, one set of pillows for guests. I'm not going to keep anything else that belongs to my bed or my kids' bed in here. We're going to end up just storing that stuff in our individuals' rooms. That way we're not keeping all of that clutter inside the linen closet. So that's just what I'm doing now. And I'm just, these baskets are pretty large. Like I said, it has that flexible kind of material to it. So you're able to get in a whole duvet set, like I said, and a sheet set in this basket. So I do love that. Okay, you guys, so this is how everything is looking like so far in my linen closet. So I'm just going to add in some extra pillows at the top for guests. And then I'm also going to add in a scent packet as well. I picked up this one from Kirkland's. It smells absolutely amazing. I love adding these little scent packets to the closets or small closets or drawers because it just makes the area smell so amazing, you guys. So I'm just going to tuck that in on the side here just to kind of make sure all the linens and everything stays fresh. Okay, you guys, so this is how I'm gonna fold my towels and everything, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start placing my towels in here. Later on in the video, I'll show you how I fold my face towels and my bath towels, so you can kind of get an idea how I fold them, because I like fold them this way because I can easily stack more on top of each other inside of the linen closet. So I'm just going to go ahead and start adding all my bath towels in here. And then this linen closet is our main linen closet. So I'm going to just use this linen closet for me and my husband as well as guests. And then our second linen closet, I'll use it for the kids' towels and things like, you know, kids' things like that. So this is what everything is looking like so far, you guys. And I'm trying to color coordinate everything in here, so I am only putting gray and white towels in here. I don't really like putting all white towels in here because to me it just don't work out, especially with kids. They always getting stains and stuff on there, using them for other things. So it's just easy for me to have a darker color towel like the light gray or the dark gray, because it kind of just works out better for my family than having all pure white towels. So this is what I'm putting in this linen closet, just gray, and then I'll have a few white towels in there as well. Okay, so this is a medium-sized basket here, and this is how I have all of my face towels folded in the basket, just so they kind of they're neatly nestled in there. So I'm gonna show you guys really quick how I fold my face towels. I kind of just fold it over like this, and this kind of straighten it out, and then I kind of just go back and forth in a flipping motion just to and kind of roll it like this so they're tightly wound together, so it kind of almost looks like a little log roll. And then that way I'll be able to get more in the basket so it fits neatly in the linen closet. And then this is what it's looking like so far, you guys. So I'm liking how everything is turning out. And And now I'm going to go ahead and start adding in some bath essentials and things like that. So like I said, I have these cute little dividers here that I got from Target. I love that it has the dividers already there. And I'm just going to use this to store body wash and soap. So that way it's easily accessible. We can kind of see what we need to replenish if we need be. And if we need anything, it's like right there next to the towels. So that's what I'm adding in the first basket there. Okay, now in the other two baskets that I have at the bottom, on the bottom shelf, I'm gonna use one for a few cleaning items, and then I'm gonna use the other one for like oral care, and then some deodorant and things like that. Okay, you guys, so this is how everything is looking like so far. Now I do have one large basket left at the bottom, and I'm just going to use that to store some extra curtain panels. So I have several curtain panels that I don't want to get rid of, so I'm going to use that to store all of the ones that I'm not going to get rid of and put those at the bottom of the linen closet. Now at the top, I'm going to add this cute little marble tray here. I'm just going to want to be able to put this at the top because it is holes in the little I guess you would call it racks on the shelf, so I put that there to keep everything in place. But I'm going to add in some Q-tips and cotton balls on that tray, and I got these little containers from Amazon years ago, so I'm just going to add that to the top as well. Then I'm also going to add a little floral arrangement. I got this little jar from Target, and I'm just going to add that to the top. And I also ended up adding a apothecary jar to the back with some little extra shavers and things like that in there. So this is what everything is looking like, you guys. And I'm loving how everything has turned out. Everything is clean and cluttered free, so I like it. So I went ahead and did add my wash rags in that other medium basket as well off camera. So everything that's bathroom related is in this linen closet, with the exception of one extra bedding set for guests, and then I have some extra drape panels at the bottom as well. And then you will see me add at the end of this video too, I have another little gray storage box that I'm going to use to store my extra pillow covers, because I have a lot of pillow covers. I try to use pillow covers on my sofas instead of using buying new pillows all the time. So in here I'm just storing my pillow covers, and I'm just going to store that at the bottom next to that extra basket that I have the drapes in. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you are, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you love home decor, I would love to have you stay and subscribe and become part of our family here, especially because you guys, I have so many new videos and ideas that I want to share with you all. I want to wish you all a happy new year. I know it's a little bit late, but yeah, it's a new year, so I'm definitely going to be decluttering and purging things and just trying to organize my house. Interested in those videos, please make sure you turn on your post notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And to all of my returning subscribers, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.